Hello my dear student plus 5, how are you all? I hope you all are well. By the grace of Allah, I am also well. Dear student, today I am here at present to take a class, especially for the class plus 5. So, my dear student plus 5 and all viewers who are joining me now, all are welcome to Matiranga Online Primary School. I am Monir Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Bhagyo Karbaripara Government Primary School, Matiranga, Khagachuri. Dear student, today I would like to discuss with all of you about question number 11, which are included in your examination question. The previous class I already discussed with all of you. Question number 11. Question number 11 type 1. Today I would like to discuss question number 11 type 2. Okay. Dear student, previous classes I discussed with you question number 11 type 1 answering question, and today I would like to discuss question number 11 question type 2. It's fill in the blank. Okay, so dear student, for this question I prepared a question with all of you, and all are look at the poster and information. Here is a question number 11 type 2. At first I read out the whole question and all are listen to me carefully and follow the poster paper. Question 11 type 2, fill in the gap, শূন্যস্থান পূরণ করো by writing the time, এই সময়গুলো লিখে so that the story makes sense, এটি যাতে একটি পরিপূর্ণ গল্পে পরিণত হয়. So dear student, the gap and information is: my name is Shorna. I go to school at A dash. I returned from school at question number B dash. I play with my friends in the afternoon at dash. In the evening I sit to study at dash. I go to bed at dash. Dear student, all are try to solution this question with gap, suitable time we write on the gap. Okay, so answer to the question now. Question number 11. Information is: my name is Shorna. My name is Shorna. I go to school at question number A. Dear student, at first I write whole information on the board, then we all are try to solution this question number 11. Number A, I return I returned from school. At number B dash I play with my friends. I play with my friends in the afternoon. At number C dash in the evening I sit to study. I sit to study at I go to bed at Dear student, here are a question we get. I write on the board from the whole information from this paper. And now we all are trying to solution this information with suitable time. My name is Shorna. আমার নাম হচ্ছে স্বর্ণা। এখানে যার যার নাম হিসেবে হতে পারে অথবা এক পরীক্ষা যেটা আসে সেটাই থাকবে। I go to school, এখানে স্বর্ণার কথা বলা হয়েছে। I go to school at dash, আমি বিদ্যালয়ে যাই। আমরা সচরাচর বিদ্যালয়ে যে সময়টা যাই অথবা স্বর্ণা যে সময়টা যায়। I go to school at 9 AM. I go to school at 9 AM. I return from school at আমি স্কুল থেকে ফিরি 4:15 PM. After 12 days time, after 12 we use PM, not AM. Okay, we know that in night time, midnight, after 12 we use AM to days before 12, and in middays after 12 we use PM. I play with my friends. আমি আমার বন্ধুদের সাথে খেলি in the afternoon, বিকেলবেলা at dash at 5 PM. Okay, in the evening, সন্ধ্যাবেলা I sit to study at, আমি সন্ধ্যাবেলা পড়তে বসি 6:30 PM. I go to bed at, আমি বিছানায় যাই অথবা ঘুমোতে বিছানায় যাই। I go to bed at 10:30 PM. Okay, dear student, now we all are completed this gap with suitable time. which make a story. Okay, again I read out this. My name is Shona. I go to school at 9 a.m. I returned from school at 4:15 p.m. I play with my friends in the afternoon at 5 p.m. In the evening, I sit to study at 6:30 p.m. Last, I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Dear student, এভাবেই আমরা আমাদের 11 নম্বর প্রশ্নের টাইপ 2 যেটি রয়েছে সেটি আমাদেরকে সমাধান করতে হবে। তোমরা অনেকেই শুধু সময়গুলো লিখে দাও, অর্থাৎ শূন্যস্থান সম্পূর্ণ না লিখে শুধু সঠিক উত্তরটি লিখে দাও। এভাবে না লিখে গল্প আকারে সম্পূর্ণ যেহেতু এটা একটা গল্প তৈরি হবে, এভাবে সম্পূর্ণ আনসার দেওয়াই ভালো। সো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, I carry another question paper which is your homework, and all are look it. It's your homework. All are complete this work. All are will complete this work your home properly. Okay. I read out this word. Try to fill in the gaps by writing the time so that the story makes sense. এখানে সময় লিখে এই বাক্য পুরো গল্পটিকে সম্পূর্ণ করবে। Prize giving ceremony of our school will start tomorrow at dash. Prize giving ceremony of our school will start tomorrow at number 8 dash. The headmaster has told us to remain present by dash. Number B. Our chief guest will arrive at around number C dash. He will open the ceremony at number D dash. The function will continue up to number E dash. So dear student, all are try to complete this homework in your home properly. So dear student, all are try to stay at home with your parents and try to follow the health rules. Take care of your health. No more today. Thank you all.